Hey, what's going on? It's Ty here. So in this video, I want to share with you how you can add a new account to Meet Edgar. So in order for Meet Edgars to post your content on your social media account, you want to add them to your Meet Edgar. You want to link them with your Meet Edgar. So how do we do about that? So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on account. So as you can see, we already have some account linked here. So all you need to do is choose on which account you want to post the content on, right? So for example, we want to add Instagram, right? Then you can choose on which one you want to add, right? Then they would say, hey, they want to link your Meet Edgar with Facebook, right? Then you can click on continue as yourself, right? Then you can choose, okay, right now you want add extra social media account. So then you can choose that go. So if you want to post to Instagram, because right now their integration is still not so good, right? So you have to download an app so that they can help you upload your content to Instagram. I hope they can fix that in the future. But right now, almost all apps is like that because Instagram, they don't actually have an API for posting content, right? So that's the problem with Instagram, right? So you have to download this app to your mobile phone, then you can use that to upload the content to your Instagram account. So after everything is done, you just click on next.